संसद आदर्श ग्राम योजना सांझी. Its objective is to trigger processes which lead to holistic development of the identified gram panchayats, to generate models of local level development and effective local governance which can motivate and inspire neighboring gram panchayats to learn and adapt, to substantially improve the standard of living and quality of life of all sections of the population through improved basic amenities, higher productivity, enhanced human development, better livelihood opportunities, reduced disparities, access to rights and entitlements, wider social mobilization, and enriched social capital. It aims to develop 3 Adarsh Grams by March 2019, of which one would be achieved by 2016. Thereafter, 5 such Adarsh Grams will be selected and developed by 2024. Gram Panchayat would be the basic unit for development. It will have a population of 3000 to 5000 in plain areas and 1000 to 3000 in hilly, tribal and difficult areas. Member of Parliament will identify one Gram Panchayat to be taken up immediately and 2 others to be taken up a little later. MPs cannot pick villages which belong to themselves or their spouses. Lok Sabha MP has to choose a Gram Panchayat from within his or her constituency and Rajya Sabha MP a Gram Panchayat from the rural area of a district of his or her choice in the state from which he or she is elected. Nominated MPs may choose a Gram Panchayat from the rural area of any district in the country. In the case of urban constituencies, the MP will identify a Gram Panchayat from a nearby rural constituency. The scheme will be implemented through a village development plan that would be prepared for every identified Gram Panchayat. Model of development strategy from supply driven to be demand driven. Sanji aims at instilling certain values such as people's participation, Antyodaya, gender equality, dignity of women, social justice, spirit of community service, cleanliness, eco-friendliness, maintaining ecological balance, peace and harmony, mutual cooperation, self-reliance, local self-government, transparency and accountability in public life, etc. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.